content in.
Yes, girl.
A bag of the towels.
Love the decor and their food is so good. This girl loves this food. Thank you.
Believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze.
Who turned it? I'm vlogging. What? Oh, look, Coca's my line. It looks so stupid.
Traveling 2024.
Yep. Traveling 2024 and somebody to finally get to Miami because they need to go. Traveling. So what is it for too?
Traveling 2024.
Traveling 24.
Yes, traveling 24.
If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not his appetite. It's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
It's over, bro.
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Buy me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard.
Hey y'all, come with me to Burning 99 here in North Charleston, South Carolina. So this is Korean barbecue. This is my first time actually doing something like this. And what it is, it's kind of like it's a buffet basically, all you can eat. And you can either do like hot pot only and the barbecue, which is like the little round thing in the middle, or just the hot pot, meaning you'll just get all these stuff that's on this buffet. They have sauces, noodles, seafood, rice, meats. Y'all, it was just so much stuff. I got dumplings, scallops, quail eggs, mushrooms. I got some crab legs. Y'all, I had a good bit of stuff. I didn't know what I was doing, but it was really good. I actually enjoyed it. I was a little nervous. Look, y'all, they got to see. Y'all, look at my plate. Honestly, at this point, I was just enjoying it. I had scallops, mussels, dumplings, quail eggs, some steak. I tried to do the piece of the chicken wing, but yeah, that was a fail. Some butter shrimp, some ramen noodles, some mushrooms, as you can see. Just trying new stuff. It doesn't hurt to try new stuff. Expand your palate. That's all you gotta do. It looks a little weird here, but y'all, it was really good. You should definitely try it, okay? It might take a little practice, and all of that, but Definitely a must try. Very fun. It was good. And I even did a little sriracha sauce and all of that to put on my noodles to add some flavor. And you just good to go. Honestly, I'd bust that down. It was full.
Take it tough, take it tough, make some quiet. There ain't no one better to do. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and
it's week 4. It's week 4 of school. Y'all gonna learn so much. Facials, massages. It's just all different types, like the diseases that like skin can cause and stuff can cause. Like it's a lot. School is good and I'm enjoying it. It's real cool, but it's just me having to wake up and get into the habit every day of me get into the habit of like actually being in school again, because y'all, it's been a year. It's been like 5-6 years. Yeah. Yeah, thank God it's Friday. I'll chat with y'all soon. Try to vlog again soon. I don't know.
To you win. You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, and your soft skin, and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
I didn't even look at it. I look cute. I like you already, yeah. I'm vlogging.
Don't you what you want? Poetic justice, put it in the song. Alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Wing Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face.
Charleston, South Carolina. Oh, y'all out here.
say less.
3, 2, 1. One question. Are there any superwomen in the mix? So if you need me.
But not light skin, that is a white child. that is Caucasian from the right. Oh man! Oh man! FINSTA!
I'm the type of nigga catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, no you ain't. What side you in? Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Pat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm a crib. Long live nip, all I know is hustle. Real street nigga, got this shit up off the muscle. All this jewelry on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a bridge, jumping out that motherfucker. Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Baby diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own set, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is child for now. Child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now. Child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, bringing that baby to the bed.
I see. Wow.
Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. Got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take that.